Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to see how you can create new project on Sketch. Well, it is a quite simple process, so let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you have to do is open any kind of browser on your PC. I'm going to use Google Chrome in here. So after opening the browser, now click on the search bar and start typing www.sketch.com. After you've typed that down, now tap on the enter button on your keyboard and this will take you to the official website of Sketch. And here you can see this is the official website of Sketch, and all you have to do is make sure that you are signed into it. Here you will be able to see the option of sign in. Simply click on it. So after clicking on it here, right now you can see the option of continue with this account because I have previously signed in with my account. So if you have not previously signed in with your account, there you will be able to see the option of entering your email and then your account password. Simply just type down those and then sign into your account. I'm simply going to continue with this account. And there you can see you are now signed in. So in order to create project, what you're going to do is simply just click on this option, create project right here. After you've done that here, now name your project. So after you have entered the project name, here you can add any email address that you want to give the access of this project of. So after you have typed down the email address, all you have to do is click on this option add right here. And now this particular email address will be able to access this project. And that is it. Now you have successfully created yourself a new project on Sketch. Now you can add in any collection that you want in this project. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.